We might all have one system, one trading strategy, trading one pair, same conditions. But do you know what's going to separate the winners from the losers? Even when we have everything similar, discipline. Discipline is what is going to determine whether or not you are actually going to be a successful trader or not. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. You know, researchers have found that most traders are actually smart people. If you find most forex traders, they are not stupid people. They are actually smart people, but many of them still lose a lot of money in trading. Why? Discipline. Discipline. Most traders actually, because of a lack of discipline, have been found that they actually can hop from one trading system to another trading system. Why? Because they are looking for results in the wrong place. They are looking for results in trading systems instead of what? Looking into themselves. And they lose money, refund again, lose money, refund again. Why? Because of a lack of discipline. So we are going to just talk about discipline a little bit in this video. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Go ahead and like the video. That's the only thing that I will ever ask you to do. Otherwise, I don't ask you to buy anything from me. Everything that we provide on this channel we provide for free. If you're looking to download stuff, forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, there are actually links in the description box below. Visit those links. You can download everything that you want there for free. You don't pay for anything. Many people also ask me about the broker that I use. Their link is in the description box below. So let's get back to how you can actually become a successful trader. Most of the time it actually comes to two things. I gave a scenario at the start of this video where we all actually are using the same system, same strategy. We are trading on the same pair, the same time of the day, the same session. Everything is just the same. But I promise you, you will get traders who will be losing money and other traders who will be making money. Because usually it's about two things. First, the trading plan. But importantly, it's not just about the strategy. Importantly, it's about a trader's discipline in following through with that plan. Most traders actually don't have the solid discipline to actually follow through with their trading strategies. They might have the best strategies in the world, I promise you. I've seen some like amazing strategies out there, but the person will still be making losses because they don't actually have the discipline to follow through with their trading plan. Where their trading plan says if it's doing like this, get out of the market, sometimes they just feel no, let me just wait in the market a little bit longer, and instead of pulling out of the market as their strategy says, they end up wrecking their own trading account. Discipline. So what are we talking about? Discipline. You need to have, for example, the strength to pull the trigger. The strength to pull the trigger in the market. Your trading plan says it's time to enter the market, you must not doubt yourself. You pull the trigger, you enter the market. Your trading plan says it's time to get out of the market. Don't think, oh, let me wait, it might turn in my favor, or let me wait, I might make a little bit more money, or let me do this. You need to have the strength to pull the trigger. You need to have the strength to actually follow through with whatever trading plan that you are following. Secondly, overcoming thoughts of fear or greed. These are common emotions in trading. We are all afraid of losing money. We are all afraid of not making as much money as we probably think we should be. And then there is the greedy part. You are making money, but then you stay in the market a little bit longer, and the market turns against you, and suddenly your win becomes a loser because you did not have the discipline of what to overcome those emotions of fear and greed. They are always there. They are always there with us. But you need to what? To be disciplined, to not let the fear prevent you from taking the trades, from not letting the fear let you not to close a losing trade, or avoid greed. Your trading plan says this is only how much you can be able to trade per day. Even if the markets are like swinging in your favor, if or maybe people around you are making lots of money, if your plan is to trade once a day, you only trade once a day. Many people are not able to do that. Many people are not able to do that. Strength to take your losses. Again, discipline. You should be able to take the losses and be able to bounce back the following day. It takes strength to actually lose money in the markets and not actually be tempted to try and revenge the market. Many people, they take a loss, they think, no, let me try to do something to take back my money from the market, to recover the money that I lost in the market. Usually the trading plan, they throw it out of the window. Suddenly they change their lot sizing, they change everything, and they're now just taking each and every setup that they see, even the setups that are not suited to their trading plan, because they cannot handle a loss. They cannot handle a loss. You need to be disciplined in taking your losses. You take them as a man. You take your losses. You need to be able to exercise patience. It takes a whole lot of discipline to actually be patient in the markets when your setups are not there. When you feel like the whole day is ending and you have not taken a trade, many people start panicking because their thinking is you need 100 trades a day, or you need to always have a trade, or you need to always be in the market in order to make money in Forex. They cannot have the discipline to actually be patient. Be patient for the setup according to your trading plan. That's why you find then people start hopping from one strategy to the next, from they start going online to start looking for signals and stuff because of impatience. If your trading plan is to trade M and W's, that's just an example, you need to be patient enough to wait for those M's and W's. Even if you have 3 days you've been waiting, the M's and W's are not coming. But that's your trading plan. That's your trading plan. You need to be patient. You need to be patient. Discipline also shows itself with stress management. There's a lot of stress in trading. There is. It's not the fast cars and the flashy stuff that people always post, but there is a lot of stress in trading. But how you are going to manage that trader is going to show whether you are a disciplined trader or not. How you're going to handle stress, because you're going to lose money. It's a fact. We all lose money at one point or the other. That's trading. You lose some, you win some. But how are you going to handle that stress? That's how we will know that that's a disciplined trader. Sustaining focus. Are you a trader whose usually their mind is all over the markets? You cannot focus. You cannot focus on your strategy. If your strategy says you are only going to be trading gold, or you're going to be trading GBP USD, are you going to sustain that focus to always go through on gold or GBP USD, or suddenly you're going to try AUD JPY, or you're going to try some Mexican peso this, or some Danish krona that, because you don't have that mental focus? It takes discipline to be mentally focused. It takes discipline. So discipline is an important element in your trading. We might have the same strategy, same mentor, same system, trading the same pair at the same time, equal amounts in our trading accounts. Everything will be equal, but you will definitely find traders, some losing money, others making money. Why? Because it's going to come to that fundamental element of trading called discipline. You need to be a disciplined trader. If you have a plan, if you have a system, whatever you're doing, you are going to need to be disciplined in order to see success in this industry. I hope from this talk you learned one or two things. If not, I will still entertain you. So go ahead and like the video. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.